But that's everything that we're tracking globally. Let's talk about everything that you should watch now as we get into a fresh new trading session for our own markets. We have Rima, Mangalam as well as Vivek joining us now with the trade setup and to take us through all of the stocks that could be in the news today. Guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rima, we just went through all of the global market cues, but take us through everything we should watch from a domestic standpoint.
Well, there's so much about global, right? And that's going to take center stage. So Wall Street, as you pointed out, ended lower for the third consecutive day. The Nasdaq had cuts of as much as 1.4%. The US 10-year yield continues to rally higher, now at levels of 3.7, which compares with 3.55 a day prior. The dollar index still hovering well above 111 levels. Across the world, we are seeing interest rate increases. The Bank of England raised rates for the 7th time in a row, and they said that they will continue to respond forcefully as necessary to tame inflation despite the economy entering recession. The Japanese markets are shut today, but the rest of the Asian markets are subdued. The SGX Nifty is suggesting a slightly lower start, but remember, the Indian markets have been fairly resilient. We've gotten away with limited cuts was the weakness that we've seen in the global markets, which are still hungover from, the Fed rate hikes. The Nifty support will be seen at 17,430, and the rupee weakness, remember, makes it unattractive for FII inflows. We've seen the rupee weaken to levels below that 80 mark, and that's going to be an important metric to track. In terms of flows, yesterday the FI sold 2,500 crore in the cash market. It was a big sell figure, while the DIIs bought 263 crore in the cash. So net, the institutions were net sellers to the tune of more than about 2,200 crores. Back to you.
All right, Rima, thanks a lot for taking us through all of those cues.